Good morning, students. Also, I welcome everyone and some of the guardians to our e-prayers Sanpur Learning Online. Students, in our last class, we went through it well, and you must have remembered, studied well. And today, we are going to study the second chapter of the book of class 7 English. Students, let me say one thing, only one line. Clap your hands, listen to the music and clap your hands. Pay attention. Clap your hands, listen to the music and clap your hands. Thank you everybody for listening to me very properly. And now I am going to ask you some very beautiful questions. How many domestic animals have you seen? How many wild animals have you seen? You must have seen some domestic animals, you must have seen some wild animals. Wild animals are tiger, lion, jackal, etc. And some of the domestic animals that we domesticate in our home, they are cow, buffaloes, etc. We also keep some birds as our pets in our houses. So, there is a relation of all the words with the topic, with the chapter I am going to discuss before you. And so, the name of the chapter today is the jackal and the rooster. What? The jackal and the rooster. Okay? The jackal and the rooster. Dear students, you see in the picture, there is a picture, two pictures are there. In the first picture, you see the rooster, you see the jackal, and in the second picture, you can see the jackal, and behind it, so many people are running behind the jackal. Okay, it is a very beautiful picture, and I have told you about the picture. You see, students, for your easy understanding, I am just reading out SB1, Sense to paragraph 1. There was a very big and handsome rooster. He looked like a king with its beautiful red crown. He also felt like a king. He got up very early in the morning, sat on the high place, and sang non-stop cuckoo doodle-doo, cuckoo doodle-doo. He knew that his song was much better than the songs of the other roosters in his locality. But he wanted to make his songs still better, louder and clearer. But how to do this was his problem. It was a problem till the jackal suggested a way out. The jackal saw the rooster singing every day early in the morning, but it sang keeping his eyes open. If he would try to catch the rooster would fly away to the tree. This was what happened the other day when he tried to catch a rooster. So he came to the rooster and said, "Oh great handsome king like rooster, Your song will be really nice if you sing closing your eyes. So dear students, you must have some difficult words. Okay. Rooster. Rooster means adult male cock. आज आप पंजाबी को rooster. Okay. Crown. CR. Crown. Very decorative object that is worn around the head. In Oriya it is mukuta. And cuckoo doodle-doo is the sound of the rooster. Song, you know, this is the song. Song. You will be singing songs. Gita Vaiva. Gita. Okay? Better. B-E-T-E-R. Better. The comparative form of good. Good, better, best, how to get louder, how to get clearer, how to get faster. All the three words comparative degree. Everyday praktidina, you know. Happen, H-A-P-P-E-N, happen, Bhativa, H-A-P-P-E-N, happen, Jack place you may say, Bhativa, happen, H-A-N-D, S-O-P, handsome, you may say. S-A-N-D, S-O-P, handsome, beautiful, Sundara. Close, C-O-L-E, C-N-O-S, close, closing, one rakhiwa, closing this way. Eyes means, you see. So let's make an analysis, explanation of the SCP-1. There was a very big handsome rooster. He looked like a king with its beautiful red crown. The red crown dress. The red crown dress Raja Valya Distila. He also felt like a king. Raja Valya Distila Vishnu Sundar Distila. Got up early and he got up very early in the morning, sat on a high place and sang non-stop कुकु-डू-डू-डू. प्रति सकाल ऐसे भोर उठ पड़े गीत हो गए. He knew that his song was much better than the songs of other roosters. ଜାଣିଥିଲା ଯେ ତାର ଗୀତଟା ଅନ୍ୟ ରୋଷ୍ଟର୍ସ ମାନଙ୍କଠାରୁ ସେହି ଲୋକାଲିଟି ଏରିଆ ସେହି ଲୋକାଲିଟିରେ ତାର ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ତାର ଗୀତଟା ସବୁଠୁ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଥିଲା ବୋଲି ସେ ନିଜକୁ ଭାବୁଥିଲା. But he wanted to make his songs still better, louder and clearer. Louder, how to get clear, এবং how to get better ବୋଲି ସେ ଚିନ୍ତା କରୁଥିଲା ଚାହୁଁଥିଲା ସଦାବେଳେ. How to get better, louder and clearer ହେବ. But how to do this was his problem. ଏହା ତାର ଅସୁବିଧା ଥିଲା କେମିତି ହେବା. It was a problem till Jackal suggested Jackal ଆସିବା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ତାର ଅସୁବିଧା ଥିଲା. ସେ ଆସିଲା ଗୋଟେ ସଜେଷ୍ଟ କଲେ. Jackal ଗୋଟେ ସଜେଷ୍ଟ କଲା ଗୋଟେ ଚିନ୍ତା ଉପାୟଟେ ସେ ନିଜେ ଦେଲା. The jackal saw the rooster singing every day early in the morning. Jackal ମଧ୍ୟ ଦେଖୁଥିଲା ସବୁଦିନ ରୋଷ୍ଟରଟା ଗୀତ ଗାଉଛି early morning ରେ. But it sang keeping his eyes open. ସେ ସଦାବେଳେ ଆଖିଟା ଖୋଲିକିରି ଗୀତ ଗାଉଥିଲା. If he would try to catch the rooster would fly away to the tree. ଚିନ୍ତା କଲା ଯଦି ଆଖିଟା ସେ try to catch the rooster would fly away to the tree. ସେ ଯଦି ତାକୁ ଧରିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବ ରୋଷ୍ଟରଟା ଗଛକୁ ପଳେଇବ. This was what happened the other day when he tried to catch a rooster. तामते चेष्टा कला आरंभ दिन और बड़ दिन से चेष्टा कला इसे ताकू धरवा लाग चेष्टा कला सेमतिया गाई हला माने उड़ी गला से. So he came to the rooster and said, "Oh great handsome." तापरे जेतले से नाही ताको जेते पारिला नाही धरी जेतले पारिला नाही तापरे से प्लांट के कला ताको जेते के अधिक प्रशंसा कला कहला, "Oh great handsome king like rooster." राजा बढ़िया rooster तुम्हें राजा बढ़िया दिश्चो बहुत सुंदर दिश्चो. Your song will be really nice if you sing closing your eyes. निश्चित भाव में तमरो गीत आउट सुंदर हो जेतबेले तुमे when you are closing your eyes and you are singing. जेतला तुमे क्लोज करजो तुम आखि एवं रहउजो सेही समय रे बहुत सुंदर देखाई होबे बहुत सुंदर बनाई होबे कोडा से भाबुचे. Now students, we have to go through the comprehension questions of this chapter. And you see, there are 11 comprehension questions in SCP-1. In SCP-1, we have to discuss some of the comprehension questions on the basic understanding, and the rest we have to do. It is my kind suggestions to my dear students to practice all the comprehensions at home. You see, who are there in this story? The first question is, who are there in this story? A jackal and a rooster are there in the story. What was the rooster like? What was the rooster like? The rooster was handsome and also he was king-like. What did it do early in the morning? What did it do early in the morning? Anase pratino sakale kon kortula. It got up early in the morning and sang non-stop tuk tuk doodle-doo tuk doodle-doo. Okay? And what did it want its song to be? The most important questions that we are going to discuss now. Number 6. What did it want its song to be? Here you can find the answer here. In this way you have to search in your book. You can find the answers to these questions. Page number 7. Okay. It wanted its song still better, louder and clearer. Okay? In this way, you have to practice and you have to complete all the comprehension questions. Next, we have to proceed to session 2, SCP-2. So again, let me read the paragraph aloud to you. Dear students, pay your attention to what I am reading for you. The rooster closed his eyes and sang louder and clearer, "Cook-a-doodle-doo," then snuffed. The jackal caught the rooster by its snacks and ran away. The owner of the rooster chased behind. The wife and his sons also joined his neighbors. But the jackal was much ahead of those running behind. The rooster, in the meantime, said, "Mr. Jackal, I am so happy to be with you. Without walking, I am walking. Without flying, I am flying. What a great feeling! And my owner is myself. He never gives me anything to eat. Why don't you tell this to them?" Now, dear students, like in our SCP-1, we had some difficult words. I think you also might have some difficult words in this paragraph. Close, I have said close, here was close, stopped. I mean to say, band karna. This is the past tense of close, closed. Clearer also we have discussed. Snap, S-N-A-P, snap. A sudden sound, that is snap. Cut. C-A-U-T-S-T, cut. This is the past tense of C-A-T-C-S, cats. Cats on the very much what gorilla. Roosters, away. Behind means it is Pochole, P-H-I-N-T. Behind, Pochole. Ahead, A-H-E-A-D. Ahead, Agore, A-H-E-A-D. Ahead, Agore, you can say. Just running, R-U-N is the ing form. Okay, you can use ing form. Happy, you know. I am so happy. I am happy to see you. Flying, birds fly in the sky. Some birds are flying. What a great feeling. Great means bada. Girado. G-R-A-T. G-R-A-T. Okay? Now, in this way, we could know the meanings of some difficult words. Now let's make an analysis. Let's understand the paragraph better. The rooster closed his eyes. Aki band kar dala. Sang louder and clearer. And sang louder and clearer. तापर तार कथा मानिगिरी निश्चित भावरे आवडिगे उच्च स्वर रे आवडिगे स्पष्ट भाव से गाइला खूब खूब डुडुडु दतारा बिकन snaps. Snap here means हठात झापदा आपण धरि पकाइबा होइछि. The jackal got the rooster by its neck and ran away. The jackal got the rooster by its neck. Anything can neck mana? This what neck? This what neck? तो ये अगर से हठात जोर ताकू धमकी दला धरि पकाइला. The owner of the rooster chased him. The owner owner, the Malik of chest behind. Chest, which is a difficult word also. C-H-A-S-E-S. Chest. Okay. Chest behind. The wife, the sons joined him. The owner of sons, Putra Dhathile, Taro wife, Arostri Putra, Apachare, Dovedela. Also joined his neighbors. Neighbor means you know, N-E-I-G-H-E-O-U-R. Neighbor को होती पड़ोसी. तार पड़ोसी माने को जो आपको साहाଯ୍य करे से ओनर को तार उसको जितने बेला होची उसे नहीं जाऊची चाकलटा समस्त तार पत्थर लाइने they all just behind the jackal to catch to set the rooster free from the jackal. The rooster in the meantime said, Mr. Jackal, I am so happy to be with you. Se motte gote nutana chitta koruchi bartaman rooster. The rooster also is making a new plan to get rid of the furious, in this case, furious jackal. Se motte gote plan koruchi. Now the rooster is praising the jackal and saying, without walking, I am walking. Without flying, I am flying. What a great feeling. I am so happy now. Dear jackal, I am so happy now and you are doing all this. For you, I am walking without walking. For you, only I am flying without flying. So you are great. And my honor is miser. You know, students, miser, M-I-S-E-R, miser. Miser is a person who is reluctant to spend money for necessary or even necessary purposes only. So he is called a miser. And my honor is a miser. He never gives me anything to it. Okay. I remain hungry some days also because my owner doesn't give me food to eat. Okay, why don't you tell this to them? Now, dear students, we have now some comprehension questions. What? We have now some comprehension questions. Did the rooster sing closing its eyes? The answer will be yes. Yes, the rooster sang. S-I-N-G, sing. Past tense it will be sang. It will be sang. Sang, closing its eyes. What did the jackal do? Now, the jackal cut the rooster by its neck and ran away. Who ran after the jackal? Who ran after the jackal? The owner of the jackal. Who ran after the jackal? No. The owner of the rooster, I am going to say, ran after the jackal. Then his sons also ran after the jackal, and his neighbors also joined the owner and ran after the jackal. Why did they chase the jackal? Actually, they chased the jackal to set the rooster free from the jackal. So in this way, we completed our comprehension questions of SCP-1, and in the same way also we have completed comprehension questions of SCP-2 and session 2, and the rest of the comprehension questions, my dear students, you have to practice at home for your betterment. If fully I have discussed all the comprehension questions, I can't know whether you have understood the paragraphs better or not. Now, IGP3, we have to discuss. The jackal felt happy with these words of the rooster as he opens his mouth to see something. The rooster flew off a tree, sitting on the branch of the tree. The rooster sang. The jackal felt happy with these words. Now, he convinced jackal कि वर्तमान से rooster मध्ये वो support रो अच्छी. So, the jackal felt happy with his words and the rooster as he opened his mouth to see something. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ ଚିତ ଧରି ପକାଇଛି ରୋଷ୍ଟରକୁ ତା ପାଟିଟା ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଓପନ୍ କଲା ତା ପାଟିଟା ଜାଗଣଟା ରୋଷ୍ଟର ଫ୍ଲିଉ flew and fly ଉଡ଼ିଯିବା. The past tense is flew. Flew off ଉଡ଼ିଗଲା. ଗୋଟେ ଗଛ ଉପରକୁ ଉଡ଼ିଗଲା. Sitting on the branch of the tree, ଗଛର ଗୋଟେ ଶାଖାରେ ସେ ବସିଲା. The rooster sang. ତାପରେ ଏଇ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେ ଗୀତ ଗାଇଲା. ରୋଷ୍ଟରଟା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଗୀତ ଗାଉଛି. ଦେଖ ऐसे गीतटा, I was a fool to believe your lies. I closed instead of keeping open my eyes. The jackal wept and said, I am grateful to believe what you said.